Hi there guys, Jason here from Blackpool Honda. Hope you're all well. Today I'm going to be doing a little mini walk round of this Honda Jazz. It's the 1.5 petrol hybrid SR. Features 15-inch alloy wheels. Comes in that beautiful black. Second alloy there for you. We have your parking sensors to the rear. Four of them around the back. We're heading into the boot here. Plenty of space there for you. 60/40 folding seats, and we also have hidden pocket and some tethering points there. LED rear lights. Onto your third alloy. And into the rear we'll find your part leather, part cloth grey interior with your ISOFIX anchoring points, electric windows throughout, and being a Jazz it does feature your magic seats. Lift them up and locks into position, and then just to release, pull it back up and it will drop down. Both seats do that and they fold flat. Heading into the front, we've got all your controls on your door card there for your electric windows and your electric mirrors with that folding option as well. Push button start. Got your electronic brake there with your brake hold and your ECON Mode. We have your eCVT gearbox. Some USB power points. Your aircon controls there. And your 10-inch colour display. This one features Bluetooth connectivity and features full DAB radio with smartphone connectivity through Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Pockets to the rear. Onto the steering wheel, we've got all your cruise control and limiter buttons this side with your lane assist. And on this side we've got your volume controls, your voice activation and your onboard computer controls with your skip functions there. Automatic headlights and your automatic washers and wipers as well. Down to the right here, so you can turn your parking sensors on and off and your traction control as well. Jump out the car, show you the final alloy. We also have the 4 sensors to the front of the car as well. There's the final alloy and your 4 parking sensors at the front. This is your 1.5 Jazz petrol hybrid SR. If you've got any more information, please give us a call down here at Blackpool Honda. Any one of our salesmen will be able to walk you around the car and give you a more in-depth look into the vehicle. The vehicle is now ready as well for test driving, so bring yourselves down. Enjoy the rest of your day guys, thank you.